Hello everyone. Let's make a one-point perspective drawing of the inside of a room. I'm starting off with a small horizon line, and on that horizon line I'm placing my vanishing point. Next, I draw straight lines from the vanishing point out to the corners of my paper. These lines will make up where the walls of my room hit the ceiling and the floor. Using these lines that I made from the vanishing point out to the corners of the paper, I will draw a rectangle making up the far wall of my room. Periodically, I will erase the lines that I'm not using anymore. Now we can see the room taking shape. I've got a rectangular far wall, and these diagonal lines that come out are the edges of the room. To make something flat on the wall, like posters, I can draw more lines that go from my vanishing point out towards the edge of my paper. And for the sides of these posters on the wall, I will use vertical lines that go straight up and down. Across the room, on the other wall, I'm going to create some windows. The tops and the bottoms of the windows are also diagonal lines that come out from that vanishing point, whereas the sides of my windows are vertical lines straight up and down. I'm going to create a little lip on these windows with more lines that come out from my vanishing point. Over on the left side of my paper, I will create a table, and I'm going to start with the sides of the table coming out from my vanishing point. Now the close edge of my table will be a horizontal line, as will the far side. I'll create the edge of the table with another horizontal line and another line angled through that vanishing point. I can put some legs on this table in a similar way with vertical lines, as well as angled lines that go towards my vanishing point. This will also help me to line up that far leg of the table, as I can make it go right down to that line that I drew through the vanishing point. Over on the right side of my paper, I'm going to create a little sofa. And I'm starting with the top of the sofa with a couple lines angled through my vanishing point. Like on the table, the close edge and the far edge of the sofa, I use horizontal lines to make. I drew that last line a little too close to me, so I'm going to go ahead and erase that and move that a little farther away. Use some vertical lines for the front of the couch. And a horizontal line for the bottom that's facing me. The last thing I will do for this drawing today is put a little rug on the floor for the far side and close side of the rug. I'm using horizontal lines, and for the edge of the rug, I put a line that is anchored through that vanishing point.